that in your hand?
This is a magic wand given to me by a friend called Harry.
Magic wand? Cool! Can it make us fly?
I don't know. Let's try it out. Wingardium Leviosa, make us fly!
Whoa! My body is getting lighter! Whoa! I can fly!
Yeah, me too.
Welcome to the sky.
Whoa! Flying is fun!
Spread my wings and fly away.
Help me, Four! Something bitten my leg!
Goodness, the long-lost scary sea monster. I'm on my way, Axe.
Oh,
Axe,
help
hold
me.
on to my leg.
Help!
4, hold on to my
Help
leg.
me! Four! I wanna pee!
Goodness, at this hour?
Yeah! I can't hold on anymore! Draw the cloudy outline. Color some shades. Done. Balloony turns. Draw the outline. Cut out the balloon shapes. And now for the twist tie. For the body parts. Twist the twist tie accordingly. And this is the body. Now we do the hand twist tie. Bend the two sides. Roll it onto the body. And tape the twist ties onto the green paper. Then glue it together. Draw the eyes and mouth done for the sea monster. This is for the teeth. Glue the teeth onto the body. Then add the eyes and the outline. Done! What do you think would happen to Four, Balloony and me in the sea monster stomach? Leave a comment. Thanks for watching.